Hello teacher, my name is Jefferson Paulo Vasquez. English word 3. Number 1, a student was working a video of the sound, a video of the sound explaining why they chose the company they did for the writing exercise 45 minutes long. Replay. The company they elege is because it uses plastic content to tone environment and contamination. They it does no reduce and this time. On the other hand, due to the crazy influence, they tire Coca-Cola and throughout the world, irregularly producing and buying plastic and a large scale which after being distributed time approximately one year to deteriorate. One year deteriorate. Affecting wildlife, natural habitat and water sources. Number 2, all these company contributing to polluting in our world. Airplane contributing to plastic recycled or plastic contributing to plastic recycling or plastic reuse. Number 3, what are opinions and demands did you expressing in the 4-minute letter time was sent to you. Sorry. Reply. Opinion worthy of conscience and direct rendition which can directly improve the environment. Number 4. In addition, study work provides an ecology solution to tame company problems and expressity grow the positive impact environment. Replace the solution that will confirm is that the company will carry out some advertencies company which will tend to have a solution to the environment. General warranties about for having ecology projects. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Thank you.